What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best heat press machine in 2022. There's a lot of choice for heat press machine. There are tons of applications that require high pressure and high temperature exerted on a workpiece to achieve desired results. Devices like a heat press machine generate a very high temperature surface over the workpiece, which can be utilized for various jobs such as handmade products, t-shirt designing, and many other custom items. But not all heat press machines are capable of carrying out all of these applications flawlessly. Similar to most high-powered machines, a larger heat press machine is capable of carrying out larger applications. Basically, the size dictates the available working space on the machine. There are many additional features and control options that matter a lot in heat press machines. Options like temperature control and digital display unit are some of the many important features of heat press machines. As you may already know, different materials react differently to a certain temperature range. Hence, you should carefully select the machine that offers the temperature needed for your job. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Royal Heat Press Machine Black. Royal Press is a stellar option for beginners and experts looking for a safe-to-use machine. Because it features a pull-away design for printing, the larger size lower plate pulls out of the machine, allowing you to work on your technique without getting near the hot plates. Also, the draw-style presses take less space, making this machine ideal for those with limited space. The machine has a magnetic lock to keep the plate in place to prevent slippage during the printing process. Moreover, the machine beeps, and the plates automatically unlock and open once the timer elapses. The aluminum heating plates have a Teflon coating that doesn't burn or ruin the workpiece, and is easy to clean. The LED digital temperature display and function controller with intelligent memory makes it easy to use for amateurs. The silicone pads can withstand up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making this machine the among the rest. Specification and features. Brand: Royal Press. Material: aluminum. Color: black. Item weight: 42 pounds. Dimensions: 22.5 by 17.25 by 12.3 inches. Voltage: 110 volts. Power: 1400 watts. Reasons to buy: rub and scratch resistance finish. Easy temperature and time setting. Electrical control system for maintenance. Arrives fully assembled. Reasons to avoid: aluminum takes more time to heat. Number 2. Tussy Pro 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine. The plates of this premium quality machine have a Teflon coating to prevent accidental burns and protect your workpieces. This machine's thickened silicone and sponge pads are highly elastic and ensure even, flat pressing for excellent results. It features a pressure adjustment knob, allowing you to control the pressure according to the workpiece. Moreover, the swing-away design takes less space and is suitable for personal and professional use. You can control the time and temperature of the printing through the LCDs to optimize the transfer effect. You can adjust the temperature between 32 and 482 degrees Fahrenheit with a pressure of up to 1100 watts, according to the project's requirements. The larger heat plates provide larger surface transfer to imprint design on mugs, bags, caps, t-shirts, plates, etc. Specification and features. Brand: Tussy. Material: vinyl. Color: black. Power: 1100 W. Weight: 48.5 pounds. Temperature range: 32 to 482 degrees F. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 15 by 15 by 18 inches. Reasons to buy: pressure adjustment knob for stability. Slide out, 360 degrees arm rotation. Shows temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Thickened plates for even transfer. Reasons to avoid: no clear instruction. Number 3. Fertin 12x10 Heat Press Machine. The heating plates of this portable and compact machine are 12x10 inches, making it an ideal choice for personal use. It caters to all your DIY needs, whether you need to transfer the design on cotton, metal, nylon, vinyl, or other materials, you can count on this heat press machine. Even though it is smaller in size, you don't have to use it with your hands because the manufacturer has considered the safety concerns. You just have to set up the appropriate temperature and time and leave it to do its work. The feature of this heat press machine is its dual function. You can use it for both ironing your clothes and heat pressing the imprints, so you don't have to invest in two separate products anymore. Moreover, it features a safe anti-overheating system, with 3 heat-resisting layers that insulate the external casing. The heating system shuts off automatically to prevent the workpiece from catching fire when pressed for longer than expected. Specification and features. Brand, Fertin. Color, dark purple, black, pink, red, light blue. Weight 10.45 pounds. Voltage/power, 110 volts/900 watts. Material, plastic metal, aluminum heating plate. Dimensions, 17.72 by 13.58 by 8.07 inches. Reasons to buy. Patented press technology. Auto press function. LCD for settings. It comes with an insulated base. Reasons to avoid. No instructions on temperature and time setting. Number 4. Vivore heat press machine. This heat press machine boasts the latest 2-layer insulation technology for better performance and clearer design transfer. The stability of this machine is hard to match, as it features accurate temperature control and reliable motherboards. The digital controller is aesthetically pleasing, featuring buttons to adjust time and temperature for quick operations. It has a durable and reliable rubber handle that saves effort and time in adjusting the plates. Moreover, the swing-away plates rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to set the design without getting too close to the heating plates. It has 2 layers of thermal insulation to retain the heat and improve the transfer effect. Specification and features. Brand, Vivore. Color, black. Material, ceramic. Size, 12 by 15 inch. Number of pieces, 1. Wattage, 1050 watts. Temperature range, 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Dimension, 15 1/4 inches by 15 inches by 17 inches. Reasons to buy. Precise digital controls. Adjustable spring plate. Durable and reliable handle. Dual thermal insulation. Reasons to avoid. The bottom foam pad is an anti-slip. Number 5. Fancier Studio Heat Press Machine. Most users opt in for a reliable and tested product, especially while buying an expensive machine. Thus, the Fancier Studio Heat Press Machine is present on top of our list. Coming in the first place, we have the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press. With similar construction and form factor to most heat press machines, the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press offers a 15 by 15 inches working area that comes with a heat press sheet included with the machine. You will be needing 110 volts input for the machine and can get up to 1800 watts power output, which should be more than enough for applications like t-shirt printing. The available temperature range for the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press ranges between 0 to 699 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be applied for anywhere between 0 to 15 minutes. There are dedicated controllers provided on the machine for the time of application as well as heat controllers to get precise results. Along with that, you can also control the pressure by adjusting the level present on top of the machine. Fancier Studio has backed this machine for 2 years of brand warranty. Specification and features. Brand, Fancier Studio. Material, steel frame aluminum heat platen. Color, blue-black. Temperature range, 0 to 699 degrees Fahrenheit. Item dimensions LXWXH, 30 by 19 by 17 inches. Item weight, 43 pounds. Wattage, 1400. Warranty, 2 years. Reasons to buy. Can be used for up to 16 minutes. Temperature and time can be controlled. Long warranty period. Reasons to avoid. Digital display is very small. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.